So next up here we have the stack light board. Stack lights are primarily used to tell the state of machines or processes, or just to have a simple visual indicator of what may be happening somewhere from a distance or any of these types of things. This stack light comes with 3 colors, but the board itself will support stack lights up to 5 colors and a buzzer. This is a pretty simple board, but let's take a look at the... Okay, so here we are in the program for the stack light, and you can see over here that we have all of the outputs for our lights, the colors, and the buzzer. We also have the buttons that are on here, the buzz button, plus, minus, off, and we have those routed to a few different outputs and or events or code. You can see here that when we push the plus button, we are going to be starting an animation. And we can open up and look at some of this code here. So the interface for this is going to be a little bit cleaner in the future, but for the moment we are just starting up a little coroutine on if what's passing here is a 4. Again, this code that we have in here at the moment is for another project where we were tracking the game state, and 4 just so happened to be win, and so when we got the win state of the game, we would play this animation. So basically, again, we are just creating a little coroutine for 5 times. We are going to light a light, sleep for 20 milliseconds, light the next light, sleep, light, sleep, and we're going to do this 5 times in a row. And for this one here, we just have a little code block in here that when we get a message on this variable here called color, we are going to pass that in, and whatever argument that we pass is going to come into this variable. We have a bunch of different colors that we are looking for, and when we find one, we are going to turn off all the lights that are not the color that we're looking for, and we're going to turn on the one that we are. So let's go ahead and go back, and we will see this program in action. So again, we have our 4 buttons here. We have the buzzer button just plugged into the buzzer. So when we push that guy, we are going to get a beep. And we also have on the minus button, we are going to, I believe, light the green and yellow. So one message from this button is going to 2 outputs. I believe that this off one we just have going to red. And this plus button we actually have going to the animation. So you can see when we press that, we get our animation to play. So again, stack light board. Easily add some visual indication to your machine, your clean room, whatever it is that you're doing, quickly and easily. Thanks. Enjoy.